Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the Tecno Pova and removing any case or screen protector because physical pressure often causes ghosting. Once done, clean edges and corners with a microfiber and 70% isopropyl. Avoid soaking the display. Then boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app interference. Press and hold power, then long press restart. If Ghost Touch disappears in safe mode, you know apps are likely the cause. Otherwise, proceed to hardware checks and recalibration steps. Now you perform deeper diagnostics. Open the service menu or run a display test app to map phantom touches, because this reveals dead zones or false inputs. Next, recalibrate the touch using the built-in calibration tool or a trusted third-party calibrator. Follow on-screen grids and apply steady taps. If problems continue, power down, remove the back cover, and carefully reseat the display flex cable. Loose connections often cause erratic behavior. Make sure to ground yourself and avoid bending the cable. Finally, if reseating and software fixes fail, you should replace the digitizer or full display assembly, because physical damage or worn sensors often cause persistent ghost touch. Before replacing, back up data and perform a factory reset to rule out firmware corruption. Make sure to sign into accounts to avoid lockout. If the problem remains after replacement or reset, consult a certified repair technician or contact Tecno Warranty Service. And if service is delayed, keep a troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.